Thought of the day: education is the most powerful weapon in which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. Word of the day: tenacious, determined, persistent, and unwilling to give up. GK point: there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand in all the world's beaches. Scientists estimate that there are about 100 billion galaxies, each with millions or even billions of stars. International news: Singapore approves 16 insects for human consumption. The insects include various species of crickets, mealworms, grasshoppers, locusts, and silkworms. Death toll rises to 37 after Russia fires 40 missiles on Ukraine. National news: Prime Minister Modi receives red carpet welcome guard of honor when Russia meets President Putin in Moscow. Indian Army convoy attacked by terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua region. 5 soldiers martyred. Sports news: Jasprit Bumrah Smriti Mandhana named ICC Player of the Month for June. Spain will play against France in the first semi-final of the Euro Cup Football 2024 at Munich Football Arena in Germany. Thank you, and please like and subscribe.